to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind. Feels so nice.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you happen to just be browsing and you hear my voice, please like and subscribe, and to all my FK gang, welcome back. Today I'm going to make some quick herb roasted potato, carrots, and green beans. And here are my recipes for today, guys. This is thyme, rosemary, my green beans, potato and carrots, olive oil. You can just use salt and pepper. I'll be going in with some garlic salt and some garlic powder. The reason why I'm using the garlic powder is because I'm making it for someone that is nursing mom. She can't eat the garlic, so I'm using the powder instead. Okay guys, so that's my ingredients for today. A tablespoon of fresh thyme, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, so 2 tablespoons of olive oil, fresh ground black pepper, the salt and pepper to taste, guys, around a tablespoon of garlic powder. This dish calls for 4 cloves of garlic, okay? About a teaspoon of garlic salt. And this I'm gonna toss together. Like a 13-inch pan, and I'm gonna put this, remember my oven is set to 400. I'm gonna put this in for 20 minutes, and I'll see you next. Okay guys, so with the green beans, and by the way guys, this is baby carrots, okay, for the carrots. I'm gonna toss the string bean with about half a tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of garlic salt. I'm gonna add it to the rest of veggie now. And guys, this is going back in the oven until all your veggies are like brown a little bit, maybe. Here is my garlic herb roasted potato, carrots, and green beans. I hope you guys enjoy. It's very herby, Herbalife. And give it a shot. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.